Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on the application of Strava. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about Strava app and you will click here in this window. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then we go to clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about Strava app. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.